Welcome to Hamdash Reviews. My name's Vinny, and today I want to cover a lesser-known site from Effortlessly, the makers of N3FJP. So let's get started. We're going to go on N3FJP's homepage. We're going to go to About Us, and we're going to come down and click on Effortlessly. That gives you all the products that the company makes. Now the top one here you'll see is N3FJP. Then they got WX1, Hamdash, Amateur Study Buddy, and a Mesh Sense to locate all the nodes in the mesh system. But we're going to cover Hamdash today. So we click on that. What this does, it shows you the progress of all the participants in the contest. You'll see these contests were just on recently, and there's still 2 active that are going on this weekend. But I just completed the New Jersey QSO party, so let's check that one out. So we're going to click here. And now down here you'll see you got all the participant scores. The top one is Bob N200, and then you got KZ2I, which is Steve. They're 2 local guys to me. They're members of the South Jersey DX Association, so I came in 3rd behind them, and they're highly experienced contesters, so to come in behind them is okay. But here's what I wanted to go to. It shows you your thing. Now if you click on it, it'll show you your rank, which says I came in 3rd out of 82 participants. My score was 94.08. It shows you my points, my multipliers, the rate I had going on, operating time, bands, which I worked more than just 20 meters, but it must have been the band I was on when they recorded it. You see it shows 20 meters. Now I did multiple bands, but it must show the last band that I was on because these few contacts down here were the last contacts I made in the contest. Let me close this. Now over here you could also see it. It shows you an I for in-state, it shows you an H for high power, and it shows you an A for assisted. Now I didn't submit any log to this Hamdash site, so they either got it from N3FJP or from the contest K2TT, the people that run the New Jersey QSO party. Alright, so I'm going to close this, and then you see up here it's also got filters. Now you see here it shows the power. If you only want to see high power, you turn that on, and everyone over here will be high power. Turn that back off. If you only want to see low power, you see they're all lows now. So that's a neat filter. Over here you could turn off all the assisted or all the non-assisted. And over here you could choose by all operator, if you were single operator or if you were multi-operator. Okay, now up here you got a settings thing, which you can put in your call sign, and then you got this one which takes you to the N3FJP software. Now down here there is an export button that lets you export all this list here. I hope one day you can use this site and then you actually find it helpful. I know I'm going to start using it more to track my progress during contests. And please remember to like, subscribe, and ding that bell. 73. But I just done N3. That was stupid.